Today, we're adding a futuristic QR code scanning effect to your video, a perfect way to create tech inspired visuals, app demos, or scanning style intros. This built in effect adds a clean scanning overlay that makes your video look like it's being analyzed by a digital device. Let's jump right in. Start by importing your video into CapCut and tapping on the clip to select it. Now, go to the Effects button on the bottom toolbar. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, all video effects in CapCut Mobile apply directly to your selected clip. From the effect categories, scroll to the Screen tab. Here, look for the effect called QR Scan, then tap to apply it. You'll instantly see a scanning overlay appear on your footage, giving it that digital check or QR scanning vibe. To customize the animation, tap on the effect again. You'll see a speed slider. Slide right for a faster scanning motion. Slide left for a slower, more dramatic scan. You can also adjust how long the scanning effect lasts by stretching the effect's duration on the timeline. And that's it. You've added the clean and futuristic QR code scanning effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for tech edits, product demos, app style videos, and creative motion designs. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.